Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. It's another free Friday, and today we're going to be talking about one website that connects to another website. We're talking about a website known as Archibase 3D, where you can go and download content you can use for pre-visualization and also for your animated or your animation content. So if you're into architecture, or let's say you're into animation, or you're into working with 3D objects, this is an amazing site for you to come and get cool, lovely, well furnished premium content for free. So if you come through, all you have to do is check by category. All right, so let's just say got it, and you would be able to find a whole lot of things that you can work with. So if we go towards the bed category, you can find a couple of beds. And if you come towards the car category, you can find a couple of cars that you can work with. All right, so if you download anyone, or let's say you want to download one of them, you will be able to see the details that are contained within what you want to download. So for example, now I want to download this particular car here. You're going to see the size, and it's going to tell you who added this, which is the name of the designer, just in case you want to recontact or you want to contact this person. And then it tells you a couple of details about the files you're going to find inside. But most of the times you get to find a whole lot more files than the files that they tell you that you have. So for example, a model like this, which we have actually loaded up in Blender, so I'm just going to bring this all the way up. So a model like this, which we've loaded up in Blender, from the website it says that it's only the .gsm, the 3ds, and also the max file. But once you download it and open it, you'll be surprised, because here you can find the obj file as well, which simply means you can use this anywhere that you want. This is really interesting, and something a whole lot of people would love to see. And the model, yes, of course, it is a very lovely one. So I'm just going to go through like this so that you can see what it looks like in wireframe. All right, so the model itself, it's a lovely one, which simply means you can use it for your animation and also for production. Now, one more thing I would like to also add to this is, if you want to go ahead to add your own model, or let's say you want to upload something that you've made and you want the whole world, or you want a couple of people to also share from this, or let's say gain from this, what you can do is you can come through, click on add 3D model, and it's going to take you to the sister website. So that's why I said it's actually a website that connects to another, which is known as the Archibase Planet. And here in Archibase Planet, you will be also able to find other models from here. So let's say you want to find a model that has to do with this setup right here. You'll be able to find that model, and if you're logged in, you'll be able to come through and also upload your stuff. All right, so you can upload your models from here. And let's check out that model we tried downloading earlier, and yes, you can have that here as well. So it simply means you can search all through and get. So this is actually one website that gives you the price of two, so you can use this to find as many stuffs as you want. And a very cool thing, which I also forgot to tell you guys earlier, is it has a Google custom search, which simply means you can search for anything within the website and within the sister website, and you'll be able to find them. And this is really cool, and I would like to see what you guys can make out of it. This is another episode of Free Friday. There's a whole lot more content on the website, and there is a whole lot more content on the channel. So if you want to see more Free Friday stuffs where you can download free stuffs, I would advise you go through, check out the playlist for Free Friday, and see what you can get for yourself. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit the like button, and if you're new here, it's going to be amazing if you can hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification so you don't miss the next episode of Free Friday tutorial, how to, or stuffs like that. And until I see you guys again with the tutorial update, Free Friday, tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.